how are you? Hopefully everyone is great. Have you got your new handout for this week material? Hopefully you already take it and you already read it. Have you read it? Okay, so in this short video, Miss Anna will give you some tutorials in pronouncing the vocabulary in the English handout. So for the English material, I already give some vocabularies about health problems. There are 21 words. So later, hopefully, after you watch this video, you can practice it and you can pronounce the word correctly. Okay? Let's start. The first word is headache. Okay? Headache. You see there, in the word headache, you can see there is something like this. Sorry. There is word like this. This is called stress. So when there is a word or phonetic transcription and there is a sign like this, so you have to stress the word. You have to say it a little bit louder than the other words. So for the number 1, it should be headache. Not headache, but should be headache. Okay? Let's continue to number 2. The next one is toothache. Okay? Toothache. It's a little bit long. You have to pronounce it a little bit longer. Toothache. Okay, good. Let's continue. Sore throat. Sore throat. You see, there is word th. When you have word th, you have to make a voice. You have to shape your mouth into like that. So it will become sore throat. Sore throat. Let's continue. Asthma. See, you can see there is a stress there. Asthma. Asthma. Let's continue to the next word. The next word is symptom. 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 I will give you some explanation about this word. In this word, you can see there is a letter P inside the bracket. So when you found this type of letter, so it should not be pronounced. It should be silent. You do not have to mention the letter. So it will be symptom. Silent P. Symptom. Okay? Let's continue. The next one is pain. Long. Not the short one, not pain, but pain. Pain. Long and firm. Pain. Let's continue. The next one is chicken pox. Be careful, there is letter X there. So when you found letter X, you have to spell the word S as well. So it will be chicken pox. Let's continue. The next one is tumor. Tumor. Okay? Tumor. Let's continue. It's like the previous word. This one is throat. Throat. Look at my mouth. Throat. Throat. So you have to put your tongue out. Throat. Let's continue to the next word. It is inflammation. Inflammation. So let's repeat. Inflammation. So the stress is in the word mation, so it will be inflammation. Okay, inflammation. Let's continue. The next word is contagious. 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 Good. The next word is make a sound like fascicle. Fascicle. Like the word shape your mouth into like this. Fascicle. 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 Good. Okay, let's continue to the next word. In my handout, I wrote respiratory, but when you type in the vocabulary the word respiratory equal to respiration. Okay, respiration. So For the respiratory, it should be respiratory. 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 Okay? Let's continue. The next word is swollen. 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 Okay? Let's continue. Be careful with this word. You have to be a little bit carefully because it's a little bit tricky for the words. It has to be pronounced temperature. 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 Okay? Temperature. Let's continue to the next word. Sudden. Short and sharp. Sudden. Sudden. Okay. The next word is marked. Because you see word ed at the back, at the final word, so you have to make d sound. Marked. Marked. Shall we continue? This one is expulsion. Not act. Expulsion. Expulsion. Okay? Next word, make a sound like act. Mechanism. 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 Good. Let's continue. The next one is protective. 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 Good. The last word is air passage. So for the word air, it's not air but air. Air passage. Okay? Air passage. Okay? Hopefully you practice it at home. Don't forget to keep on practicing. If you want to be good in spelling, in pronouncing English, you have to keep on repeating. Miss, I cannot spell it, I cannot pronounce it well. It's okay, we are learning. Everyone made a mistake at the first time. But what makes you different that you keep on doing it. Okay? Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.